subscribers asked me to do a walk around on the truck, so I'll do a quick walk around, starting from the front. Shaved bumpers, shaved blinkers, or parking lights. The blinkers are now in the headlights. The hood is a 58 hood sliced in two. Hood top sliced into a 55 bottom. So it's two hoods to make one. All emblems are shaved. Rounded door corners here and in the rear of the top. Shaved drip rails. Smoothed doors. Shaved door handles. 55 dash installed with Dakota digital gauges. Electric windows are installed. The carpet I got online, and of course the seat I had reupholstered. It's a Chevy Silverado seat. 4-link in the back. Gas tank is tank incorporated. Wheels are 2012s, 20-inch by 12s. Ford 8.8 rear end. Little mirrors, I got them for the look, but you really can't see out them, but you don't need to with the big windows. Now let's get to the engine. It's a 5.3 that I rebuilt, put a cam in it, boarded it to a 5.7. 243 heads is in it that had a little work done to them. Adding Motorsport hinges. Hydro boost under the floor. That's my remote reservoir right there for the hydro boost. That's basically all I can remember. Smooth all of my wires to the engine. I closed that little top grid that used to be there, and used it to wire all the front to the front of the car. That's basically everything I remember doing. It sounds like it wasn't a lot, but it was a lot of work. Let me put the hood down better. But this is where I am so far. I'm at the point of painting the bed. I got a lot of block sanding done on the bed. It's going to run a fleet side bed, so stay tuned. It's almost done. It should be done. I should be driving it by summer. I'm hoping before summer. That's all for now.